Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to download your designs from Canva so you can save and share them in the format you need. Whether it's an image, PDF, or video, exporting your work is quick and easy, right from your Canva dashboard. All we need to do is click the project we want to download. For example, if we want to download this project, we can do it by clicking Share in the upper right corner. Once we are here, we just need to click Download. From here, we can choose the file size, or resize if needed. If we are on a premium plan, we can also use the suggested options shown here. We can even switch to a transparent background if we want. Once we are happy with our settings, we just need to click Download. And that's it. That's how we download our designs from Canva in just a few simple steps.